In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Webflow on Windows 11 quickly and easily. This process will only take about 5 minutes of your time, and by the end, you'll have a handy shortcut right on your desktop for easy access to all your Webflow projects. First, let's launch the Chrome browser on your computer. Once it's open, navigate to the Webflow website. This is where you'll start your process. If you haven't logged into your Webflow account yet, go ahead and do so now. This is essential to ensure everything is set up properly and that you can access your project once we finish these steps. Now that you're logged in, take a look at the top right corner of your browser window. You'll see 3 vertical dots. This is your menu for the browser settings. Click on these dots and a drop-down menu will appear. This menu contains lots of useful options, but for our purposes, you want to look for an option called More Tools. If you hover over More Tools, it will reveal even more choices. Here, we're specifically interested in Create Shortcut. Sometimes you might see a slightly different layout where Create Shortcut is directly available in the initial drop-down. If so, click on it. If not, no worries. Just hover over More Tools, and you should find it there. Once you've clicked Create Shortcut, a small window will pop up on your screen. In this window, you can name your shortcut. Usually, it might autofill as Webflow, but feel free to personalize it to something that best fits your organization and workflow. With the name entered, next, simply hit Create. This is where the magic happens. Clicking Create finalizes setting up a direct shortcut to Webflow on your Windows 11 desktop. You should now notice a shiny new Webflow icon that has popped up among your other desktop icons. Now that you have your shortcut, accessing your Webflow projects is easier than ever. Simply double-click the Webflow icon on your desktop, and you'll immediately have access to all your projects without needing to open a browser and manually navigate each time. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've successfully created a shortcut to Webflow on your Windows 11 desktop, making it easy to manage your projects with the click of an icon. If you ever need to remove or rename this shortcut, you can do so just like you would with any other desktop icon. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!